Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Al Moon Trades. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? What's going on, guys? This is insane. This is crazy. Listen, guys. So, first off, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. I know I'm excited. I got to tell myself, don't get too excited. Remember, guys, a lot of this is day traders. These are people that are doing the pre-market screens and they went ahead and they're just taking this up to the moon. There's a lot of day trading happening right now, okay? Lots of day trading. You open up that 30-minute chart. This is a moon thing. Now, here's the thing. The question of the matter that we have ourselves is we are about to do a golden cross, right? And right now we are obviously above the 50-day moving average. So this could be institutions. I don't know yet. But I'm telling you right now, this is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. I mean, look at this here. Look at this here. Clover's up 25%. 25% in one day. 25%. How are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Listen, guys. Listen, I studied every billionaire that exists. All of these AMC people, all of these GME people. Guys, you have no idea what's coming. You understand? You have a tsunami coming. There's a tsunami coming, and you don't even know what's about to happen with this stock. Whenever you see a company where insiders buy, it really shows how confident they are on top of the $20 million repurchase buyback program. And you know what's funny? No, maybe Vivek is about to spend another milli, right? Guys, Lamborghini, oh my God, no, do the dividends or do like yes, the Lambo's coming, right? The Lambo's coming. But you know what's funny? You want to know what's funny? Let me tell you here, okay? Because we have to be fiscally responsible, right? We have to be very, very fiscally responsible, right? So, like, pretend this is a Lamborghini, right? We need to be on top of our next investment now, right? Because we can't waste our money, right? We can't do something. We don't want to burn all our money on one investment, right? So we need to have this type of mentality right here, right?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Right. I just think of the green car, but pretend it's a Lamborghini. I know it's a Tesla, right? But guys, this is very, very, very good. Okay. This is incredibly good. We are doing really well right now. I mean, this is exactly what, this is what happens. You work hard, you play hard. You work hard, you play. I mean, what do you expect, right? So again, I don't expect this to go any higher. If it does, that's pretty crazy. Have I seen it happen before? Yes. But I expect these numbers to tend to go higher during earnings. I just see these as day traders that they basically do pre-market scanners and they find gap ups and then they basically go in and write it. So there's a lot of short-term people coming in here, right? So just remember that, right? So just kind of like don't like this could go higher, right? But understand that the probability wise, whenever you see a gap up like this, it's a good trend. It's good, right? We have to turn to our data to kind of get a kind of sense of what's happening. So, again, this is our stock terminal. It gets access to 2.5 billion outputs. If you want to learn more about it, it'll be linked down below. But let's go ahead and use some of this information here. So if you were to go ahead and take a look at institutional insider buys, we are not seeing, as of now, the past 6 months, we have not seen increased ownership in terms of the relative strength of institutional ownership. Yes, others are doubling down. They're buying more. But overall, the overall grand scheme of things, we've actually lost some ownership, right? So I think this is going to change soon. I think institutional owners are basically buying back in right now. You already see JP Morgan coming in. So there's that. So let's go ahead and we use that. What else? We can go ahead and take a look at the algo flow line. The thing is, the algo flow I expect is not going to be anything for Clover because, again, the options chain is not that juicy yet, but it'll come back to where we can go ahead and really get some good data on this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the simulated price target projections. This is like using a Monte Carlo sequence for uses AI to sequence it. So let's see kind of where does it think it's going to go. If it can find us a projection. Sometimes it can't find a projection. right? Nope, 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 nope. Ain't doing it. That's fine. So I can't really think of a projection right now, which is fine. Let's go ahead and take a look at the resistance level. So this is really this is going to be interesting to see. So if we go ahead and take a look at Clove and go in the minute, we can go ahead and see kind of where we're at. So I'm not really seeing anything here. So I want to make sure. Okay, let me go ahead. Sorry, let me just refresh this. I'm so excited. I think I'm overloading the system here. So let's just kind of start this over. Let's just kind of make sure this works. Okay, so that works. So I want to know why the support and resistance didn't bring. I think I just had to refresh it. So let's go hit Clove and let's do the minute. It takes some time, I think. So interestingly, I'm not seeing anything here, which is kind of weird. Let's look at the week. There it is. So the week is on. So here. So we are looking. So the next level of resistance is $1.37. So $1.37 on the week. Now I'm trying to go ahead and I'm trying to figure out the minute. There it is. Here's the minute. So $1.29. That is the next resistance line. We had $1.17. Again, this is great for people that are day trading. So right now we're at $1.20. So you can see how accurate this is. $1.29. That is a hardcore resistance right now. So we're at $1.29 right now. So that's the battle right now. That's the battle of the bulls right now. We're trying to basically get to that 129 target. Okay. Now, what else? What other time frame should we look at to kind of get a picture of kind of how this is going to be? So I would say we can. So we have the minute, we have the weekly, and we have the day. So we could go ahead and hit the D word. So we'll look up the day to see kind of the day graph here. Oh, it should be coming in soon here. Let me go ahead and go to the comment sections real quick. My bonus is coming in 3 days. Of course, it is running up right before that. I know. Alaskan Turtle, hello from Korea. Korea, my friend, South Korea. You know what? Did you guys see the Putin in North Korea? That was interesting. It's like two friends hanging out. That's very funny. I was the same. More money just transferred to the trading. Not too sure. Oh, hello from Vietnam. Our subscribers are everywhere. Hey, we got some Vietnamese people. You know, Chao Ko, and Chao Ben, and I love your pho. Hell yeah, guys. Okay, so I was the same. More money just transferred. Trading's not sure. Can we? But yeah. Oh yeah, that happens to me often too. Okay. Hell yeah. So for some reason, we are not getting we're not getting this. So maybe I should kind of put the Clove and then maybe put a small d, maybe make it lowercase here. Yeah, so I think it's analyzing the data. I think that's what it is. Also, I am kind of sending the commands a little too fast. So I am kind of getting a little too excited right now. So let's just try to see what's going on here. Nope. All right, that's fine. So let's go ahead and open up the help menu real quick. Let's open up the help menu here. And let's open up this and let's take a look at the chart and let's look at Clover. Oh, hello. I can't even spell it, guys. I'm so excited. Let's look at the interval. Let's do the 30-minute interval and let's look at the past 200. Let's do the past 250 days. And let's analyze this and let's kind of graph this chart. So as it's thinking right now, we're going to go ahead and graph this here. So we're going to go ahead and open up the interactive chart. Again, it's all part of the stock terminal here. You have access to it. So, so for some reason, let me just kind of, let me go ahead and here and the whole point of me opening this up is trying to figure out. So we passed all the short-term AI resistance lines. The Fibonacci sequence retracement is at $1.27. So right now, where price are we at? We're at $1.28. So we're fighting on that Fibonacci sequence retracement at $1.27. So that the next level, and I think that's why the AIs, the AI levels are actually quite. They're calculating now. Can think about it. It's been a year hovering around under $1. So the AIs now we have are calculating this new graph. And I think that's why it's taken some time here, right? So here's the calculation. See, this is why it's not giving us good data, because we just got an aberration right now and the data doesn't know what to do with itself. So that means we have to rely on the weekly chart, right? So that's it. Like, this is the weekly chart. So now $1.37 is going to be the next resistance line. So technically, we shouldn't have it's so once we pass $1.29, that's what the bulls are fighting for right now. And a lot of people that are doing technical analysis, they're looking at $1.29 right now. And once this sucker passes, the next level is going to be $1.37. And once that passes, we're going to go to the moon to 265. Obviously, there's going to be some intraday support and resistance lines, but right now these are the atmospheres we're going to be crossing here before we get to our Boeing 747 up here at $7.47 stock price as a resistance here. So we're looking really good right now. Again, I don't think we have an AI prediction model yet. Again, it's been a while for this stock. It's been sleeping. So we don't know if there's an AI predict. Yeah, so AI could not find a prediction right now for this. And for people that understand, kind of don't know what this is, if you go ahead and take a look at Apple, normally it would look like this. And it shows you the prediction model saying, oh, combined, it believes that it's bullish on Apple. The AI is bullish on Apple, thinking it'll go higher, right? Which we know Dan Ives and all of them are setting positive price targets, right? So I'm very excited to see where this goes. If we go ahead and take a look at just overall things right now. Oh, we're at $1.32. We're at $1.32. I'm telling you guys, the stock terminal don't lie, baby. Look at that. Let's go on the week. We're looking at that $1.37, baby. I almost want to feel like that guy from, the little auctions. Hey, $1.37, hey, hey, $1.41. Let's go. $1.37, okay? So it's again drop back down to 128. So again, we're fighting right now. And guess what? We went up to $1.33, right? The bulls are trying to fight this right now. The bulls are trying to fight it. That's what they're trying to do right now. Okay. We're at $1.32 right now. Okay. So we're fighting it to that $1.37, baby. We're up 29% so far. Okay. So this is looking pretty damn good, guys. We are going with it, right? So let's go ahead and let's kind of recalculate and see. Our AIs are basically working in real time right now, trying to figure out where the support and resistance lines is, because this thing is sleeping, right? This has been a sleeping stock. So let's go ahead and see what else can we find. Let's just do a straight fib. Let's look at Clov. Let's do a straight Fibonacci sequence retracement right now. Let's see what it shows us. And again, if you guys want to access this, it'll be linked down below for more information. So you guys can look at other companies that you want to look at. So it's calculating right now. It's freaking calculating. It doesn't know. It doesn't know because I mean, what's the volume right now? Can someone tell me what the volume is right now? We got about just 500,000 volume. AMC right now has around 5 million volume. And us Clovers, we have, oh, never mind. Clov is at 7 million volume. Clov is at 7 million right now, and AMC is at 5 million. We have more volume right now than Clover Health. We're at 7 million volume, guys, right? So that's why the AIs is like, what's going on? Right? It's still thinking. I mean, for the love of God, it's still thinking. This is insane. This is very, very good. Woo, let's go. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if it can I'm kind of pushing it a little hard right now. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, our chat's lit right now. Our chat is lit. We are lit right now. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, there it is. Someone see all the commands I just sent. Here's the AI prediction model. It needs to register these prices. All right, here it is. Here it is. You see, it's calculating it in real time, ladies and gentlemen. So here it is right now. We're at $1.31. So the Fibonacci sequence retracements right now, it's continuing. These are different levels of resistance right now. So we are breaking the stratosphere right now. So I would have to say $1.37 is going to be where that hardcore resistance is. That's going to be, there's a lot of tight resistance here. And once we pass these, we should be able to start going up crazy. And you know what's crazy though? What's very crazy is what happens if Vivek buys another million, right? What happens if he puts another, does he have that type of money? Of course he does, right? If he puts another million now, this thing's about to explode. And I think, once this stock goes up past $1.37, you might actually have Chamath step back in, and then Chamath is going to go in, and there it is, just about 2,000, right? Let's go. It's so nice to enjoy. Hey, man, I appreciate you guys. Hit the like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps show all these AMCers, all these GMers, all these other ears, and all Wall Street that we know what the hell we're talking about, right? So we're doing pretty damn good, okay? It's all data driven. It's all data driven, right? So let's go ahead and resend this. I've never had this issue before for our stock terminal where it is actively trying to calculate the information. I've never had a delay on this before. That it shows us that this is an aberration. It shows us that this is different. Like this is not your typical, and it is different, right? The guy just dropped $1 million in shares. We're at $1.35, guys. We're at $1.35, $1.34. We are at the highest $1.36. You see that on the high intraday? We went all the way up to $1.36. Ladies and gentlemen, they might want to take this to $1.63 because that's a 52-week high. But as you can see, it's coming along back to our thesis, right? Look at that. Look at that. Do you see this? The Fibonacci sequence retracement is $1.35 right now. Again, what did I tell you? The next level of resistance, I expect it to fall down. The next level of resistance is at $1.37. Remember this, right? We showed you right here, $1.37. That's when I expect it to kind of simmer down right now. But if it doesn't, then I don't know what the next resistance level is until 265, right? We don't know that. The question is, when are we going to party in Las Vegas? Guys, I'm on a plane right now. I'm going to Las Vegas right now. I'm just kidding, right? I'm using Starlink right now, and I'm going to Las Vegas as we speak, right? All right, so I'm kidding, right? So we're up 30% on the day. So we should be starting to see news articles because all of these people are followers. They don't know anything about intrinsic value. They know nothing about fundamental analysis because they're not out stock trades, right? So all these followers now and all these people that write articles are just basically talking about this now because that's what they do. They follow, right? So, you can see it. Insider, now this guy comes in, right? This guy's a PhD too from Guru Focus. He's a PhD. So, he's an academic like myself, right? So he's a 10% owner. Vivek acquires shares of Clover. And then look at this, right? So everyone's talking, right? And the biggest advantage of shares going to the moon is when they has the highest insider buys, right? This is very aggressive, right? People are calling this a penny stock. People are calling this a meme stock. Ladies and gentlemen, these people are about to get a reckoning right now to see what the hell this company is all about, right? So let's take a look what's going on. What at a let's reload this $1.32. Okay, so again, we hit that $1.36, and now it's starting to basically kind of frothel back down. We're on the day chart, so we can go here. So we're starting to see the resistance hit near that $1.36, right? So we're starting to see a little bit of profit taking, right? There's a little bit of profit taking right now. So that's what we're starting to see, right? So right now we gapped up, and ladies and gentlemen, understand this is how the market works. We need to fill in this gap, right? There's a huge gap here that we need to fill, right? So I think we need to fill this. But the thing is, we've done it before, but it is a huge gap up. So then there's some gaps that need to be filled, I think, right? So let's see what's going on here. LOL. It's so nice to enjoy your live stream with just a couple of people. If the others just would now know what they miss here. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Let's go. Congrats to all the Clove retards out there. Oh, sorry, Clove tards. We need to be very nice, right? Oh, look at that. NVIDIA holders are selling to buy Clover. Let's go. Guys, we have 193 people watching right now. 190 people watching our live right now. Hey, congratulations to all of you guys. We're doing really good. Even if this thing falls back down to $1.15, $1.20, it doesn't matter. Okay. The statement has been made, right? The statement has been made. Okay. Clover is not just a meme stock. Clover is an actual business, and they're about to show what their SaaS is all about, right? As Humana is retreating and as the other Medicare Advantage companies are retreating, Clover Health is going to be doubling down now, right? It's going to be doubling down. We're finally there. Okay. We're coming to the promised land. Okay. See what's going on with the chat. We're having a great time. Oh, man, I can't wait to read all this, guys, right? We need Wall Street Bets, right? Oh, man, Wall Street Bets has nothing on us, right? Has nothing on us. Institutions are coming in, my friend. Don't worry. Institutions are coming in. You think institutions are watching this one right now, right? In fact, let's go to my LinkedIn right now. I messaged Lisa Gill from JP Morgan Chase. Let's see here. I messaged her and I said, hey, Lisa, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to touch base with you regarding Clover Health. I have a good feeling about this. I sent this to her yesterday. It seems like your team is already on top of it with recent share purchases on the SEC 13Fs. I'm eagerly anticipating your new price targets once you're finished loading the boat, because you like to buy for yourself before telling the American people and people of the world, right? Because it's all about money, right? Clover, JP Morgan Chase, as you can see here, has been loading up Clover, and they bought Clover more than any other time that they ever bought Clover, when it used to be in the $15 to $9 region. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so they're coming back. Okay, by the way, we have 202 people on the live right now, right? So that is impressive. We are doing really well. I'm just checking in right now. Okay, just checking in here. What are we at right now? $1.32, $1.30. So we're starting to see some profit taking. This is normal, okay? Again, you don't want it to go up all the way up, right? This is healthy. You need it to kind of retrace back down. This is a normal movement, right? 90 million shares traded in the next 30 minutes. Guys, listen, it's happening, okay? JP Morgan is going to start spinning crazy price targets now with the SaaS multiplier. People that don't know, SaaS sales go anywhere between a price to sales ratio, anywhere between 5 to 10, right? And if you're Palantir, they go up to 20. Again, this is not financial advice. Nothing in here we say is financial advice. Think of me as just this dumbass guy who basically doesn't know nothing about the stock market, right? Right? Let's just go. We'll take it from there. If you guys want real information, you go to CNBC. Jim Cramer is a very smart guy. That guy knows what he's talking about, right? Because because obviously they support Clover, right? So anyway, guys, the whole point of this is, people are rewarded in times of defeat, right? In times of defeat, that's when people make the most money. And ladies and gentlemen, just look at this. Who in the hell would want to buy this company? Who in the hell would want to buy this when a chart looking like this, right? And I'm going to ask you the same thing. People did not want to buy Enphase when the chart looked like that a long time ago, right? Here was the chart of Enphase. It was at $17.97, and it fell all the way down to 65 pennies. Nobody wanted to buy Enphase at that level back in the day. Nobody did, right? But again, the people that did, the people that understood the fundamentals, they're the ones that are getting rewarded, okay? They're the ones that are getting rewarded. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So we're about to engage a golden cross. Chamath is about to step in. Institutions are about to buy in. They're about to finally get their 3.5 stars in 2025. Who knows, get upgraded to 4 stars. They're about to release their contracts for SaaS. Am I missing anything, ladies and gentlemen? We put in hard work, hard due diligence. We had blood, sweat, and tears. There were Thanksgivings and Christmases that we did not enjoy because we had a mission, and the mission was seeing a company that no one believed in. And here we are today, watching it before our eyes, looking at the world, looking at Clover, seeing it's an actual serious business. Okay, people talk so much crap. People that are chartered financial analysts, people that are so-called the experts, right? But you know what? In that movie, in that meme movie where it says, I'm the captain now meme. I spelled that terribly wrong, right? Right? This is us now, okay? To all the JP Morgan Chases out there, to all the institutional investors, look at me. I'm the captain now, right? We own this, right? We figured this out, just like how we figured out Palantir and just like how we figured out Tesla, right? But remember, how many of these times did these institutional investors in Wall Street try to crap on the retail community space, to crap on the normal day people of the world, right? And here we are finding a stock that actually no one actually believed in, and here we are believing in it, and now we're getting rewarded. This stock is up 38% year over year. You look at Humana. Humana is down 23.63% year over year. United Healthcare is down 9.72% year over year. Alignment Healthcare, which institutional investors love, is down 14% year over year. Who knows? We might get to Oscar's level where it's up 96% year over year. We're getting to that position, guys, right? But it's actually up 8 baggers, okay? When I look up Yahoo stock gainers, why doesn't Clov appear? Right? Don't worry. Screw Yahoo, right? We are the new Yahoo now. You understand that? We are the captains. You can call us Yahoo, okay? All right. So anywho, 229 people on the live right now. Guys, hit that like button. Let the video get out there to the people. We need the people to see what Clover's all about. Their MCR is industry leading. Okay. All they need to do is turn on the growth machine. What do you think is going to happen? Okay. Let's see. It's so nice to see. Hell yeah. Let's go. Congrats. We're doing really good. We're doing real. Hi, mom. Hi, mom. I'm going to the moon. See you there. Hi, mom. Going to the moon. When Clov announces the contract with one of the big healthcare companies, this will scream to the moon. Oh my God, what moon? We're gonna be in Mars. They're gonna rename Mars. Elon Musk is gonna call it Clov. All right, we're not even gonna call it Mars anymore. You understand me? In my opinion. Oh yeah, we talked about this. We talked about this here. SaaS multiplier. Just hit the like button now. Hell yeah, guys. Listen, this is your channel, guys. It's all about your channel. This is essentially the people's channel. And, we did it. That's it. I mean, the thesis is coming true. The thesis is coming true. So now we're starting to see a little rebound right now off of the technical analysis, I think. So if we go to the minute chart right now, we're starting to see some stabilization. So we might get the new leg up now. So we might get to that resistance that I was telling you about off of our $1.37 with our AI projected stock analysis, part of our stock terminal at outstocktrades.com, right? So we're starting to get to that. And if we pass that, then we're going to get to that 265 level. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. This is huge. All right. Captain Howdy here agrees. LO, a good workout. Watching your videos kept me sane for the last few years. Guys, we have been tested. We have been neglected. But here it is, guys, right? Here it is, right? So to all of the hedge funds, Wall Streeters, the shorters, go ahead, drop the price. We don't care. We got Papa Vivek to buy back shares now with his $1 billion self, right? So finally now the management team is very, very positive that, new developments of SaaS is coming online, okay? Very excited. We're at 242 people on the live right now. 242 people, okay? 2.5 years together, and now it's happening. Here we are. How many people talk crap? How many people that said, the naysayers talk crap about our channel? What are you doing with Clover? What are you doing with this? You know what's funny? Let me go ahead and type something up here. Arnold Schwarzenegger, 6 Rules of Success. So Arnold said this, right? Trust yourself, okay? Break some rules. Don't be afraid to fail. Ignore the naysayers. Work like hell and give something back, right? There were so many naysayers to this stock. Here's the thing, guys. If it was easy, the rest of the world would be rich, but it's not easy, right? It's all about mind, body, spirit, and emotion. And this stock has destroyed each and every one of us. In fact, I think we're going to have to dedicate 10% of our money to go see a therapist. So I think if you want to invest in something, you should invest in psychiatrists, because it's going to get a whole slew of people from all of the pain and suffering these hedge funds has caused us, right? So, all right, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead and take a look and update, see what's going on with Clover right now. We're at $1.35. It's retesting, about to do a new intraday high. We're getting to that $1.37. Let's go ahead and let's redo our analysis with the AI. Let's see what's popping. Let's go. Back to $1.36. Here it is. The moment of truth. AIs are updating. AI is updating. It says, I don't know. The minute says it's going to the roof. Sorry. Try the hour. Okay, we're going to go to the hour. Let's go. At an hour. Hour says, I don't know, my friend. Try the day, right? There's no AI resistance here. Okay. We'll go on the day. The day says, I don't know. Okay, fine. We'll go on the week. The AI levels doesn't know anymore, right? So again, like I said, that $1.37. 10 million shares traded today. 10 million shares. We're at the moment of truth. Look at that. Look at that resistance now. That moment of truth. Let's go. Let's see. Are we going to win? Are we not? Are the bulls coming in? Are they going to fight? Oh, God, here it is. Let's see. Once this comes and this goes up to $1.30, $1.39, there is no level of resistance anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. We are going to the moon after $1.37. And if we don't go to the moon, it's easy manipulation. I can tell you that much, right? So let's go ahead and let's redo this chart Fibonacci sequence retracement, and let's take a look at Clover. Let's let our brain machine think. Looks like we're right all along. Just got to the party early. Glad I'm here. I'm glad you're here. Let's go. Insider chops. The package came. Now it's going to be, I haven't received it yet, but my significant other has it, and I'm going to get it soon. Holy moly. Holy moly. We're at $1.37 right now. This is the moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. The dollar, see, it's fighting. It's fighting. We might get a double top, and then it's going to fall back down. And maybe support would be the 50-day super moving average. We don't know, or it could be filling in this gap. Moment of truth. The moment of truth. I did a 1-year fib in Webull and got a resistance of 141. So the next resistance is 141. Okay. All right. We'll look at that one once it passes. I am ready to watch such live streams every day. Well, I can't, guys. I can't do it every day, right? Because remember, I'm not a YouTuber, right? I'm actually in healthcare, right? So I'm going to be doing my rotations. I'm doing the paperwork right now for my rotation. I'm actually going to be doing my rotations for neurosurgery, right? So the next level of resistance, we're at it right now. It's $1.37, right? If we pass that, based off of Ken, he's saying 141. Based off of our AI, it's saying the next level is saying here, $2.65 is the next level of resistance. But again, you could calculate your own by 141, right? And then he'll keep us posted, right? But that's it. We're fighting. All right. We're at 284 people. 284 people watching the live. Smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Smash it. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that like button, guys. Right? Send this video soaring, guys. Okay. All right. Let's see what's going on. All right. Let's see. Let's go ahead and let's see. Any more news? This is so funny. We hit 137 a minute ago. Yeah, we sure did. So when it goes down, I buy more. And that's what's going to happen, guys. A lot of people are coming online now. A lot of people that sold a stock are like, wait a minute, what's going on? Insider buys. Oh, shoot. Clover's about to go to the moon. And the whole thing. In fact, let's go to the Reddit space right now and let's see what's going on in Reddit for Clover Health. Okay. So let's see how many people. We only got 22 people online. Are you serious? You're telling me a 30% movement and there's only 23 people. I'm the 23rd, right? That's a bunch. There is no way that's true. Do you really think that's true, guys? Do you honest to God think that 296 people are on my live right now? 88. Like, do you really think that no, I don't think so. No way. All right, let's see what's going on with Twitter here. Let's see what's popping on the Twitter side here. Let's go to Al Stock Trades on the Twitter side here. I wonder if Chamath piled back in now is the time. I'm going to like that. I'm going to retweet that or repost it, right? So we're looking pretty good, guys. We're looking pretty good. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see on the news side of Reddit. Anyone posting? I think we have a support at $1.30 as we've bounced back a few times. I agree. Finally reached my 420 shares. I see what you did there. Goal is 100. Good. I like that. Again, not financial advice. I'm just a dumb guy, right? I don't know what I'm talking about, right? I don't know what I'm talking about. So what's the stock price now? Oh boy, $1.38. But it's, we got $1.38 now. It's fighting. Oh God, here comes the volume. Here comes the volume. This is where here. Let's see. Golden cross. Oh my God, it's coming. 306 people on the live. Oh shoot, here it comes. We're up 32.9% on the day, ladies and gentlemen. And guess what? You think this is crazy? You haven't seen anything yet. Margin is 0% on this stock. Just wait till margin comes back. People are going to start gambling again. Oh, guys, you haven't seen nothing yet. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Oh my God, 312 people on the live. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is what it's all about. This is what I'm talking about. Woo-wee! Look at that. We're having a great time. I mean, so many people neglected this stock. So many people. The prophecy is coming true. Al was being wrongly crucified by the bears. I was getting destroyed by the bears. I was getting destroyed. I mean, you know how many people, like, everyone was literally like, you know what I mean? Everyone, all you need is a tua. That's all you need, right? It's a new thing. It came out yesterday, right? Oh, Vivek just needed to do a tua. That's all he needed to do. If you know, you know. Oh, I'm gonna pass out. Oh my God, I think I'm giving myself a vagal response, guys. Jesus Christ, the Reddit page doesn't really matter, actually. About done with it ever since they made the OK Magazine guy. You know, but honestly, though, the mod, I do like the new mods. The new mods are really nice, you know. But who knows? I just post my videos and talk to a few people. Oh, $1.39. What's going on? Oh shoot. The Bears are giving the Haktua on the thing. You know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Let's go. $1.39. I tell you, the stock terminal out stock trades doesn't lie. Okay? Doesn't lie, my friends, right? That's how it is, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Chamath Polyhapatia. Oh my God, you better be popping in this stock, my friend. Your time is coming. His average is around $1.70 to $2.20. So I should expect him to buy in that region because that's when he's sold. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at a volume of 11.2 million shares. Holy moly, Andrew Toy is kicking some booty. AMC people, AMC's down 2.18%. And people maybe are selling AMC now. AMC has a volume of 8 million. Clover Health has a volume of 10.9 million. And let's see the volume for GME, right? GME has a volume of 5 million. Guys, we are killing them on the volumes. Don't mess with the Clover Leaf. All right. Clov must signaled some big deal in the past week, up $75,000 today. Patience and the DD is always rewarded. Let's go. Let's go. Did you see what that idiot posted today on Reddit? I honestly, I honestly haven't. Yeah, I just, I need to see. Maybe he blocked me. I didn't see it. Y'all coming to get me at 6:42? Oh shoot, we're starting to come back. Let's go. Almost wish that was Monday to keep the momentum all week. Oh, hey yo. Let's see what's going on. Let's update it. $1.38. Oh boy, we're starting to see some bears coming in. Let's see. 328 people on the live. Do you see the stock drop in the near future? I mean, of course, stocks go up and down. You know what I mean? In the short term, they don't make sense, right? We're in here for the long term. So if now that people are watching, let's go ahead and let's open up our intrinsic value calculation, right? Or according to Fergie, it's intrinsic edging calculation, right? Maybe we should rename it, right? So we're going to open up the intrinsic value calculation right now, and we're going to go ahead and see kind of what, again, this is not financial advice. Think of me as just some guy on the street who doesn't know what the hell is talking about, okay? This is just an entertainment purposes only, okay? It's all entertainment, all right? So Clover Health is growing around 1.3 billion. There's about 1,300 millions in 1.3 billion. And we're going to go ahead and whip this bad boy out. And we're going to go ahead, and because we're going to integrate the SaaS, we're not going to put 20% of estimation of free cash flow. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put 0.075, right? 0.075, which is 7.5%. I'm going to go ahead and multiply it. That's 97 on the estimation of free cash flow, okay? 97.5. We're going to go 10 years. I think this is going to grow at 35%. I mean, what does Andrew Toy mean, return to growth? What does that return to growth even mean? What, 20%? 15%? No, I think it's going to be 35%. Remember, these people, if you don't remember, let's go back here. Clover Health. Let's go ahead. Clover Health investor relationship. I'm sure the Clover website's down right now. Everyone's clicking on Clover. What does Clover do? Who is Clover? Why is Clover? Right? All right. Guardians of the Galaxy. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go ahead and take a look at this here. So, okay, it doesn't tell me. I'll find it. Let's see if we can find it here. Okay, no. You'll see what I'm talking about, okay? Because people forget, which is okay. People forget. Fine. It's fine. Oh, okay, read this. This is Clover Health fourth quarter of 2021. Fourth quarter total revenue was 432 million, up 160% year over year. Ladies and gentlemen, Clover Health was growing at 160% year over year. Okay. And I'm telling you, they're going to return to growth, but they're not going to return to this type of growth. This type of growth was unattainable because this was during a time where money was easy. Federal Reserve, the interest rates were a little bit near zero. It was a SPAC festival, and essentially the market didn't care about losing money, but now the market does. So I think they're going to grow at 35%, and we have around 496 million shares. Ladies and gentlemen, if they do that stock repurchase buyback program, and if insiders keep buying more shares, it's going to remove stocks from the available pool, which is going to send the price target higher. But we're just going to do 496, and you can see with this analysis, you can see a stock price of $26.60, which makes sense because by 2026 of January, if the stock price hovers from $25 to $30, Andrew Toy and Vivek, I think they're going to share $330 million. So it is in their best interest for the stock price to go up to this level. You understand what I'm saying? So right now, like I said, it's going to pull back to this 50-day moving average. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not our first day. This is not my first day in the rodeo, right? It's going to hit to this 50-day move. Oh, look at that. You see the little green right there? It's going to hit to the 50-day moving average, and it's going to bounce back up, right? You day traders are so predictable. Oh, go ahead. It's going to bounce. Watch this, okay? So, and if it goes down low, all right, looks like we're done for the day, right? But I think it's going to go ahead and reverse from this, and we're going to continue kind of finding these new levels of resistance. Okay, so this is again, guys, this is a common story. We know the story. I've seen it multiple times. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's see. It's starting to fall. What do we do? Maybe it's trying to fill in this gap down here, right? Maybe it's trying to fill in this little gap, right? We'll see. All right, let's see what's going on here. So it looks like it might fly to $1.41. Momentum Fridays tend to follow through with Monday. So we're starting to see a little rebound there a little bit. Pulls back to $1.33. 8 EMA is intact. Let's go. So for people that don't know, EMA means exponential moving average. I have here is the MA, which is the simple moving average. Exponential and simple moving averages are calculated differently. Oh, look at that. Bounce off of the 50-day moving average, and here we go. We're ready to go. Look at that. All right. So anywho, guys, that's kind of where we're at. I did the intrinsic value calculation. I think, this thing is going to be good. Again, not financial advice, okay? Not financial advice whatsoever, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, it's first off, it is an honor and privilege to have you on this channel. It has been a journey. It has been a journey, right? I've been attacked by the bears. I've been literally crucified. But you know what, guys? I believe in my thesis. I believed in my thesis, and our thesis is finally coming true. We're starting to see all this come true, and then people are going to come back, right? So I'm going to go back to work. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my questions. I actually have a meeting this afternoon to hopefully build some form of homeless camp in Tucson, Arizona. So again, trying to give back to the community, because like I told you, the last rule of Arnold Schwarzenegger's rule of success is most importantly to give something back, right? After you essentially get to your success. So like always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Like always, we were here from the beginning, right? So like what Will Smith says, right? We ride together and we die together. Bad boys for life. I'll see you on the next one.